Restaurant located here at Resorts World Manila, Philippines. We're going to eat, we're going to discover their great food, and we ordered some great dishes. So, well, I can't wait to show it to you guys. This is one of the best restaurants here in Resorts World Manila. It's a mix of different cuisine from Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore. So, if you like laksa or if you like Singaporean food or Thai food, Vietnamese food, they have it here. So, some popular foods from different country, different cuisine. It's all mixed, so it's a good thing. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and also like this video. And please check out my other restaurant review here in my channel, and don't forget to check out my playlist. Located here at Resorts World Manila, Crustasia Restaurant. We like the colorful decorations of this restaurant. They do have mix of dishes from seafood to vegetables to meat and specialty food from different countries, Asian countries actually. The restaurant staff was nice and the food service was pretty fast. We like the open air, open ambience of this restaurant. Price is not that expensive. For 4 items, we paid around 1,200 as far as I remember. So it's a good price. So yes, we ordered 4 dishes and I'm going to share to you guys my review about the food here at Crustasia Restaurant. So, ito yung kanilang Vietnamese fresh spring roll. Ito yung mixed vegetable yang chow fried rice. And this is the vegetable with crispy pork. Crispy belly. Ito yung crispy pork with vegetable. Tikman natin. At saka ito, crispy. Walang konti. Crispy. Crispy. Ito mo. Crispy yung pork, masarap. Very tasty. To crispy pork lovers there, well, I recommend this one. Crispy and delicious. This one, I really like this one. Vegetable. Ang sarap ng vegetable nila kasi tasty, malasa. Medyo mo. I love the vegetable hot pot. I recommend this one. We love this vegetable hot pot. We love the sauce, the mixed vegetable. It's perfect. We love this and I recommend this one. Yung fried rice nila, this fried rice, okay lang. Medyo dry yung rice, pero masarap naman siya. So, this is just a so-so. Okay lang. Yang chow fried rice, well, it's okay. Para pinagtsagaan na lang namin ng konti kasi gutom kami. But I think, honest review for this one, I think it's a little bit dry. Maybe they can make it more better pa sana. But for me, they need to add a little bit more taste, maybe additional salt or something. And I think texture also is dry. Yang chow fried rice looks fine but tastes dry. But still, we consumed it. It's not that bad. Hopefully, they can improve it. And I have a feeling that it's like a frozen fried rice and maybe they just reheated it. Now we're going to taste this spring roll. I like it, it's tasty. This sauce, I'm not sure if this is a peanut sauce, but a bit more sweet. I'm curious about the sauce because I think it's too sweet and it has an aftertaste, a little bit strong aftertaste. I think it's better if it's pure peanut sauce, so much better. But still good sauce, but I'm just used to a peanut sauce, not to this one. Well, overall, the food is good and I like the food. I like the vegetable dish. Fresh spring roll with shrimp was okay. It was good, but we don't like the taste of the sauce. It doesn't complement the fresh spring roll. Sauce was too sweet with strong aftertaste. So I think it's better to replace it with a good peanut sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check out my other restaurant review here in my channel and my other adventure videos. Here's the complete menu of Crustasia Restaurant. Thank you again for watching this episode and don't forget to watch other food review and check out my playlist here in my channel. And do subscribe, and you can also check out my Patreon account Mag Topics to watch exclusive videos and photos. Thank you again and goodbye!